The 2011 Tundra. Tundra has a number of unique features useful for those using it as a work truck, including extra large door handles, a deck rail system, and an integrated tow hitch. Included as standard are vehicle stability control, traction control, electronic brake force distribution, anti-lock brakes, and tailgate assist. With a towing capacity of up to 10,000 plus pounds and a payload capacity of over 2,000 pounds, the Tundra is the perfect mix of power and efficiency and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, anti-lock braking system, traction control, driver airbag, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, keyless entry, four-wheel drive, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, cold weather package, CD player, MP3 player, power windows, power door locks, passenger airbag, child safety locks, intermittent wipers, rear head airbag. This vehicle is Carfax certified one owner and qualifies for Carfax buyback guarantee. Come see the car for yourself.